time, there was a little old lady and a little old man. They lived all alone. One day, they decided to bake a gingerbread man. They rolled out the dough, shaped it into a man, and popped him in the oven.
It smells great in here.
I cannot wait to eat him.
Then, all of a sudden, the oven door opened. The gingerbread man came out.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man ran out the door and down the road. He met a cow.
I am hungry. Come on over, gingerbread man.
I've run away from a little old lady and a little old man, and I can run away from you too. I can.
The cow tried to grab the gingerbread man.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man ran away down the road, and he met a sheep.
Wow! I am so hungry, and you look good enough to eat.
I've run away from a cow, a little old lady, and a little old man, and I can run away from you. I can.
The sheep tried to grab the gingerbread man.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man ran off down the road, and he met a pig.
You look good enough to eat. Come here, cookie boy.
I've run away from a sheep, a cow, and a little old lady, and a little old man. And I can run away from you. I can.
The pig tried to eat the gingerbread man.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man ran along down the road until he got to a river. A fox came along.
Why, hello. Do you need help getting across?
Yes.
Climb on my back. I will take you across.
The gingerbread man climbed on the fox's back. The water rose higher.
You can climb to the top of my head.
Good idea.
As they swam, the water rose even higher.
Wow, you might need to climb on top of my nose. The water is very high.
Thank you for your help.
The fox opened his mouth, and with a snap, the gingerbread man was gone. The end.
Yeah.
Hello, friends. Please visit our Oxford, Fairfield, or Hamilton locations to pick up your very own DIY stick puppet play between December 7th and the 19th, and you can make this at home. So we hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.